Is your AC flashing that annoying E7 error and you're wondering what went wrong? Don't worry, I'll help you fix it. First, what does E7 actually mean? It usually points to a communication issue between the indoor and outdoor units. In most cases, it's a mode conflict, meaning one unit is set to cooling while the other is set to heating. And since ACs aren't great at mind reading, they refuse to work when this happens. If you have a multi-split system with multiple indoor units, make sure all indoor units are in the same mode. If one is cooling and another is heating, the system gets confused and throws the error. To fix the E7 error, the best approach is to reset the system. Turning it off and back on forces both units to start fresh and sync their modes automatically. Just switch off the AC from the main power or circuit breaker, wait about 10 minutes, and then turn it back on. If the error disappears, you're all set. Still seeing E7? Then we might be dealing with a communication failure. Loose or damaged wiring between the indoor and outdoor units can cause this, so if you're comfortable checking the connections, give it a look. If not, it's best to call a technician. And if none of that works, the issue might be a faulty control board or inverter module, especially if you're using an inverter model. At that point, professional repair is the only way forward. Hopefully this helped. If your AC is back up and running, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer.